Reporting NSFW content on Imgur, a step-by-step guide.
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss how to report NSFW, not safe for work, content on Imgur. If you stumble upon offensive or inappropriate content, it's essential to know how to report it and contribute to a safer and more respectful community on the platform.
What is NSFW content?
Before we delve into the process, let's define NSFW content. NSFW content includes any material that you wouldn't want to be seen looking at in a professional or formal setting. It could be explicit, violent, or inappropriate in any way.
Can I report NSFW content on Imgur?
Absolutely. Imgur allows users to report any content they find inappropriate or offensive. The platform depends on its users to help maintain community standards, so don't hesitate to report content you believe violates Imgur's rules.
How do I report NSFW content on Imgur?
The process of reporting NSFW content on Imgur is straightforward. Here is a step-by-step guide. 1. Locate the content. Navigate to the specific image or post that you find inappropriate. 2. Find the Report Post button. On every post, there is a More Options button usually located on the bottom right of the post. Click on it. A list of options will appear. 3. Click on Report Post. This option allows you to report the content to Imgur's moderators for review. 4. Choose the reason. You'll be asked to provide a reason for reporting the content. Make sure to select the option that best describes why the content is inappropriate. 5. Submit the report. Finally, click on the Submit button to send your report. Imgur's moderation team will then review the reported content. Remember, you should never engage or retaliate against offensive content on your own. It's always best to let the platform's moderation team handle such situations. In conclusion, reporting inappropriate or offensive content is a simple but crucial part of maintaining community standards on Imgur. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel more equipped to use the platform safely and responsibly. Remember, it's up to all of us to make online spaces safer and more enjoyable.